Are you planning to take the Master Plumber Licensure examination? Then, this is for you. Welcome to Master Plumber Review and Refresher. Answer the following set of questions carefully. Without further ado, let's start. But before that, I will give you additional information or hints about ASTM. The American Society of Testing and Materials, or ASTM codes, consist of a letter followed by a sequentially assigned number. The letters refer to different categories of products, materials, or processes. ASTM A for ferrous metals and products, such as steel, carbon steel, stainless steel, cast iron, and more. ASTM B for non-ferrous metals and products, such as aluminum, copper, lead, tin, titanium, zinc, and alloys such as brass. ASTM C for cementitious, ceramic, concrete, and masonry materials, also involves glass and clay pipes. ASTM D for miscellaneous materials, such as plastics, plastic pipes and fittings, pH of water, elements in water, and electrical conductivity and resistivity of water. ASTM E for miscellaneous subjects. This class seems to include the subject related to fire and water, also involves the Charpy impact test and antimicrobial screening tests. ASTM F for end-use materials and products, or refers to materials for specific applications. ASTM G for corrosion, deterioration, weathering, and degradation of materials and products. ASTM H for joint committee and district recipients, for the sequential numbers and other letters following the letter designation, for example, ASTM A582, A582M, 95B, 2000. The letter here, as what we discussed earlier, indicates the general classification. The number 582 here is sequential number, usually 1 to 4 digits, without any relationship to the material's properties. The letter M here in the A582M indicates the standards written in SI units or metric. The number 95 here indicates the year of adoption or last revision. If the standard is revised again for the same year, this is indicated by adding letter A for the second revision, B for the third revision, and so on. The number here indicates the year of the last reapproval. And now, test yourself if you know or familiarize some of the ASTM standards for plumbing works. Let's go, masters! Question number 1. Standard specification for polyvinyl chloride or PVC plastic pipe, Schedules 40, 80, and 120. Letter A, ASTM D 1785-21A. Letter B, ASTM D 2466-21. Letter C, ASTM D 2662-96A. Letter D, ASTM D 2464-15. The answer is Letter A, ASTM D 1785-21A. Question number 2. Standard specification for polyvinyl chloride or PVC plastic pipe fittings, Schedule 40. Letter A, ASTM D 2662-96A. Letter B, ASTM D 2464-15. Letter C, ASTM D 1785-21A. Letter D, ASTM D 2466-21. The answer is Letter D, ASTM D 2466-21. Question number 3. Standard specification for polyvinyl chloride or PVC plastic pipe fittings, Schedule 80. Letter A, ASTM D 2662-96A. Letter B, ASTM D 2467-20. Letter C, ASTM D 2464-15. Letter D, ASTM D 1785-21A. The answer is Letter B, ASTM D 2467-20. Question number 4. Standard specification for threaded polyvinyl chloride or PVC plastic pipe fittings, Schedule 80. Letter A, ASTM D 2662-96A. Letter B, ASTM D2464-15. Letter C, ASTM D2466-21. Letter D, ASTM D1785-21A. The answer is letter B, ASTM D2464-15. Question number 5. Standard specification for polyvinyl chloride or PVC pressure-rated pipe, SDR series. Letter A, ASTM D2665-20. Letter B, ASTM D2729-21. Letter C, ASTM D2241-20. Letter D, ASTM D4551-22. The answer is letter C, ASTM D2241-20. Question number 6. Standard specification for joints for IPS PVC pipe using solvent cement. Letter A, ASTM D2846/D2846M19A. Letter B, ASTM D3034-21. Letter C, ASTM D2672-20E1. Letter D, ASTM D2662-96A. The answer is letter C, ASTM D2672-20E1. Question number 7. Standard specification for polyvinyl chloride or PVC sewer pipe and fittings. Letter A, ASTM D3034-21. Letter B, ASTM D2665-20. Letter C, ASTM D2729-21. Letter D, ASTM D2241-20. The answer is letter C, ASTM D2729-21. Question number 8. Standard specification for polyvinyl chloride or PVC plastic drain, waste, and vent pipe and fittings. Letter A, ASTM D2665-20. Letter B, ASTM D2662-96A. Letter C, ASTM D4551-22. Letter D, ASTM D2846/D2846M19A. The answer is letter A, ASTM D2665-20. Question number 9. Standard specification for solvent cements for polyvinyl chloride or PVC plastic piping systems. Letter A, ASTM D2564-20. Letter B, ASTM D2729-21. Letter C, ASTM D3034-21. Letter D, ASTM D4551-22. The answer is letter A, ASTM D2564-20. Question number 10. Standard specification for type PSM polyvinyl chloride or PVC sewer pipe and fittings. Letter A, ASTM D2235-22. Letter B, ASTM D3034-21. Letter C, ASTM D2241-20. Letter D, ASTM D2239-22. The answer is letter B, ASTM D3034-21. Question number 11. Standard specification for polyvinyl chloride or PVC, plastic flexible concealed water containment membrane. Letter A, ASTM D2661-21. Letter B, ASTM D2235-22. Letter C, ASTM D2239-22. Letter D, ASTM D4551-22. The answer is letter D, ASTM D4551-22. Question number 12. Standard specification for chlorinated polyvinyl chloride or CPVC plastic hot and cold water distribution systems. Letter A, ASTM D4068-17, 2022. Letter B, ASTM D2662-96A. Letter C, ASTM D3309-96A, 2002. Letter D, ASTM D2846/D2846M 19A. The answer is letter D, ASTM D2846/D2846M 19A. Question number 13. Standard specification for solvent cement for acrylonitropbutadiene or ABS plastic pipe and fittings. Letter A, ASTM D2661-21. Letter B, ASTM D2751-05. Letter C, ASTM D2235-22. Letter D, ASTM D2239-22. The answer is letter C, ASTM D2235-22. Question number 14. Standard specification for acrylonitropbutadiene or ABS Schedule 40 plastic drain, waste, and vent pipe and fittings. Letter A, ASTM D2661-21. Letter B, ASTM D2751-05. Letter C, ASTM D2239-22. Letter D, ASTM D2665-20. The answer is letter A, ASTM D2661-21. Question number 15. Standard specification for acrylonitropbutadiene or ABS sewer pipe and fittings. Letter A, ASTM D2751-05. Letter B, ASTM D2239-22. Letter C, ASTM D3311-17, 2021. Letter D, ASTM D1869-15, 2022. The answer is letter A, ASTM D2751-05. Question number 16. Standard specification for polyethylene or PE plastic pipe, SIDR-PR, based on controlled inside diameter. Letter A, ASTM D2609-21. Letter B, ASTM D2239-22. Letter C, ASTM D4068-17, 2022. Letter D, ASTM D2666-96A. The answer is letter B, ASTM D2239-22. Question number 17. Standard specification for plastic insert fittings for polyethylene or PE plastic pipe. Letter A, ASTM D2609-21. Letter B, ASTM D4068-17, 2022. Letter C, ASTM D2846/D2846M19. Letter D, ASTM D3309-96A, 2002. The answer is letter A, ASTM D2609-21. Question number 18. Standard specification for chlorinated polyethylene or CPE sheeting for concealed water containment membrane. Letter A, ASTM D2662-96A. Letter B, ASTM D4068-17, 2022. Letter C, ASTM D3309-96A, 2002. Letter D, ASTM D3311-17, 2021. The answer is letter B, ASTM D4068-17, 2022. Question number 19. Standard specification for polybutylene or PB plastic pipe, SIDR-PR, based on controlled inside diameter. Letter A, ASTM D3309-96A, 2002. Letter B, ASTM D2729-21. Letter C, ASTM D2662-96A. Letter D, ASTM D2239-22. The answer is letter C, ASTM D2662-96A. Question number 20. Standard specification for polybutylene, PB, plastic tubing. Letter A, ASTM D2666-96A. Letter B, ASTM D3309-96A, 2002. Letter C, ASTM D3311-17, 2021. Letter D, ASTM D1869-15, 2022. The answer is letter A, ASTM D2666-96A. Question number 21. Standard specification for polybutylene or PB plastic hot and cold water distribution systems. Letter A, ASTM D3309-96A, 2002. Letter B, ASTM D3311-17, 2021. Letter C, ASTM D1869-15, 2022. Letter D, ASTM D2235-22. The answer is letter A, ASTM D3309-96A, 2002. Question number 22. Standard specification for drain, waste, and vent or DWV plastic fittings patterns. Letter A, ASTM D2666-96A. Letter B, ASTM D1869-15, 2022. Letter C, ASTM D2846/D2846M19. Letter D, ASTM D3311-17, 2021. The answer is letter D, ASTM D3311-17, 2021. Question number 23. Standard specification for rubber rings for fiber-reinforced cement pipe. Letter A, ASTM D1869-15, 2022. Letter B, ASTM D2609-21. Letter C, ASTM D3309-96A, 2002. Letter D, ASTM D2665-20. The answer is Letter A, ASTM D1869-15, 2022. And that's all for this set. Now, put your score in the comment section. If you find this video interesting and informative, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. Thank you and good luck future master plumbers.